everyone, this is Aleeza Nadeem and she is my mother, and it's almost a week that we are making the videos of the exercises, and hope you guys are enjoying, and keep liking the videos and give this video and the previous video the maximum amount of likes, and hope that you guys are enjoying and my mother is also enjoying, and we will continue this process in 26 days. So now let's get started with our first exercise. We'll start with the easy one, then we'll move towards the difficult one, and in every video I upload new exercise. So let's get started. So in this first exercise that we will do today is that we will do from the right side and we'll move towards the left side. In this, your hands and your body is getting stretched, and this way, when you're doing this way, so your hands are getting stretched and it's very good. So we will start 10 times, 10 seconds. 1, 2, you have to make a punch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to stretch. You have to not do it very easily. You have to stretch as much as you can. 10. So now we'll move towards the second exercise. So now let's move towards the second exercise, and that is the neck exercise. Okay. So first, what you have to do, you have to put both of the hands on the neck like this, and you have to look upside, downwards, then left side, then right side, and then left side. So first we will start, and it's very good for your neck, and your neck is getting stretched. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You do 10 times. 1, 2. Now look downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and be relaxed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And do this. This is a very easy exercise you can do, and everyone can do this at home. It's very good for your neck. And now we'll move from easy, difficult, and new exercises. So that is the third exercise. So in this third exercise, what you have to first, you have to move your body towards the right side, then to the left side. So first you have to bring your right hand back like this, and now we have to grip our center part of our body, that's on the waist, with our left hand like this, and you have to. It's very good for your shoulders, and you have to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. You have to. You can change the position of your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And other side. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now it's time for the fourth exercise. So in this fourth exercise, what we will do is that we will move our body to the right hand side and then to the left hand side. Okay. Then first you have to put both of the hands on the waist, and now we have to move your body only, and this way your shoulders and muscles will be opened. Open means that they will be relaxed. So we will move towards right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can, your body should be in motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you have to move your whole body, and it's very easy. This way your body is getting stretched, and all the muscles that are having pain in the muscles, or you're having pain in your shoulders, so this exercise is very good for them. So this way there will be no pain in your shoulders, in your elbows, in your hand, in your muscles. So this way, this is a relief pain exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are moving towards this fifth exercise. In this, my mother will be there for me as a support, because she will put her hand like this, and I will open the foot stretching. This is called. This way your foot is getting stretched and the pain is getting relieved that you have in your foot. So first she will put her hand like this, lower, and then the middle side, and then upward she will put like this. So for, like, this is a head side. You can also put above the head, but you have to put till where the head is, then in the middle, that is the chest, then your this is your knees, the lower one, lower, middle, and then head. So first we'll start with lower. 1, this way your foot is getting stretched. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we will do the same thing on the middle side. 1, 2, and don't fold your knees. You have to put your So now we will start with our fifth exercise. So here's my mother as a support that she will put her hand first lower, then middle side and upper. So I will open the stretching of my foot. Like first we start lower stretching, then middle stretching, and then upward stretching. So first I will start with the right leg. So this way, if you have any pain in your foot or your leg, so it will get relieved. So she will put her hand as a support. So I will open like this 3 times. You can do this like one time, like 2, and then upwards like the head. Where is your head is coming? So you have to do like this 3. It's not necessary that your stretching should go way too much. So you'll do again 3 times. 2, 3. Yeah. So now as we are over with our 5th exercise, now we will move towards the 6th exercise. So I will continue with the further. So my mother will go and I will continue with the further exercises. So let's continue with our 6th exercise. And this what you have to do, because up till now we have done this standing in the standing position. We have done all the exercises. So now we'll do the exercise in the sitting position. Like we will sit like this, and now we'll not only fold one leg, but we'll in this first we'll put both legs folded like this, and we have to sit on the floor in this position. You have to come forward and open your leg as well as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to lay it down. I don't have space. You have to bring both of your hands backwards. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So same position. What you have to do? You have to open your right leg and keep folded your left leg like this. It's up. 1, and you have to open like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now sit down. And now we'll move towards the right side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we'll bring our body front side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try to touch your knees. And now what you have to do, you have to come back and do the same thing with our right leg. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to sit down like this. You have to open and straighten knees, and you have to touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And try to touch your head with your foot, knees with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. And front side. 1, 2. So as I now get up, so when I was doing with the left leg, so I don't lay down. So but you have to lay down. Then I will show you how. You have to lay down like this, and you have to bring both of your hands backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again you have to come up. You have to stretch. And now over there you can see there's a mat. So now I will go in the next exercise. There is a 7th exercise. So I will bring all my body upwards. My whole body will be upwards. So for this I need a mat because I will be laying down on the floor. So here is the mat because I will be laying down. So in the 7th exercise, what you have to do, you have to bring your body like this, and you have to bring all your force, your body in the upright like this. I hope I can do this. You have to bring it as your shoulders upside and as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And your hand should be like this in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And down. Now, so you have to first lay down. So I use mat for this. Lay down and bring all your body upwards, and your foot should be straight like my hands are. So you have to bring, and you have to uplift your shoulders, your whole body, your legs, your everything. Like this, and yeah, go as much as you can, and your hand should be like this with your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back and again up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now other side sits. You can sit like this. First set like that, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. So as we're done with our 7th exercise, and we have played all the body, and in that way your body is getting stretched. So now we'll move towards the last exercise, that is the 8th exercise. So in this side position, you have to make a cobra. It's not necessary that your foot should touch your whole head. I don't know why. Shoot. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side, we have to do same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And get up. So that's it for today. At least I think maximum we have done 8 exercises. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video and all the previous video maximum amount of likes. Thank you for watching and supporting. Thank you for supporting also and give likes to the video. And that's it for today. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Allah Hafiz.